Building your own wooden stitch and glue boat is a low-cost and lightweight alternative to spending $10,000 plus on an expensive commercially built boat that is difficult to trailer, very heavy, and guzzles gas. Online research, low-cost study plans, and talking to someone who has built their own boat will help you decide which boat is best for you. 1. Decide which body of water you will be using the boat on. Then choose an appropriate boat design for this body of water. You will never have a boat that will do everything, so don't even try. Don't build a 24 feet tall Alaskan skiff expecting to use it on a small lake, Midwest river, or pond. On the other hand, taking your 12 feet rowboat 10 miles 16 kilometers out in the Gulf of Mexico is probably not the best idea either. 2. Buy plans from a reputable boat designer. Sorry to inform you, but free boat plans are just that, free. You get what you pay for, so if you want general information, 60-year-old, antiquated, difficult to read, boat plans, then by all means download the freebies that are so prevalent on the internet, but spend the $50 to $150 for good plans and you will be very glad you did. It will save you money in the long run. Here recommend the easiest way to build your boat over 518 boat plans, step-by-step instructions. Click the description link to download boat plans. 3. Buy quality materials. A wooden boat can be beautiful if built, finished, and painted correctly. Using cheap materials will result in poor performance and could be dangerous to your health, depending on which body of water you are using your boat, how far from land you are, and how well you sealed your hull. 4. Use high-quality wooden fir, Meranti, Acoma. It has no voids and will not delaminate. It won't have voids that are common to many cheaper residential construction-grade wooden. 5. Use a quality epoxy resin. Some good brands are Aeromarine, System 3, West Marine, and Moss. The boat designer should include the amount of epoxy needed to build the boat design you choose in his per plans. Also, buying 5 to 15 gallon, 18.9 to 56.8 L kits is the best way to save money. If you are building a larger boat, you may be able to have your epoxy supplier drop ship your epoxy on a pallet to save you money on shipping. 6. Learn how to lay fiberglass cloth. Sorry to those of you who thought you wouldn't have to fiberglass your boat, but the truth is 99% of good wooden boat designs are covered in fiberglass. YouTube has many good how to lay fiberglass videos, however finding someone local who lays fiberglass is the best way to get some hands-on training. There are dozens of good marine supply stores online that will sell you a quality fiberglass, and your boat plans should have the amount, length in yards, and weight ounces, of cloth you will use on your boat. 7. Give your boat a nice finish. Of course, some of you won't care, but if you want to hear the oohs and ahs at the dock or launch, giving your boat a nice finish with marine paint is the key to the longevity of your fiberglass work and the appearance of your boat. Fairing, smoothing and filling your fiberglass cloth grid, think Bondo on a car, and sanding are key to a beautiful show-quality finish, but may not be necessary for a work boat in the bayou. 8. Use your boat a lot. What customers have to say about my boat plans? Click.
Hey Martin, I just wanted to make a really quick video to tell you how cool I think myboatplans.com really is. When I got online, I was looking for a boat that I can build with my son and my father. My dad's been wanting to build a boat ever since he got out of the Navy. And so when I got on there, I saw 500 different designs. They were all step-by-step instructions for each design. And by the way, the materials and the dimensions you suggested, they work perfectly. We've got a beautiful new bass boat, and this is my dream boat, really. We're going to go hit the water here hopefully next week. And we should really be done by then, so I'm really excited. My son has never been able to spend this much time with both me and my father, and so he's having a lot of fun. So it's really been able to bring the boys together, and we're going to go and enjoy it. And I owe it all to you and to My Boat Plans. Thank you so much.
Click the link below to download your 518 boat plans.